How to fix live option missing on TikTok. So the very first thing you should know that in order to have the live option on your TikTok account, first of all, you must have more than 1000 followers on your account. If you do not have 1000 followers, then you won't be able to get the live option. So make sure that your account crosses 1000 followers. If you have 1000 followers but still you're facing the issue, then what you want to do is go back and head over to your app store. In the source bar, search for TikTok. And then head over to this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And it might be one of the reasons that you're having the issue. In this case, simply tap on update and update your app. Most of the time, updating the app has fixed the issue. So once your application is up to date, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of your device and then move into general. Head over to iPhone storage and then move into the application TikTok. In this page, you have to click on offload app and then once again tap on offload app. It means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It will make your application run smoothly and remove all of the unwanted bugs. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix live option not showing on TikTok. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.